Okay, this is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. You got this breakout right there, okay, above 80. It's Friday after the close. Newmont has finally broken out to the upside. Okay, this is what happens in a bull market. This $80 price level, that was a big deal. This is, well, that's 80 right there. You got to trust me, that's $80. Close above 80 on the day and on the week, big deal. So now what you're going to want to see, you guys haven't seen this before. I mean, this is real bull market action, is when big money just starts grabbing offers. Okay, all this supply, all of this from here down, it's all gone. Okay, there's no more supply underneath 80. We got a little bit of an increase in volume on the last day. I'd want to see, more volume come in next week. Some big green candles like, that one and that one, nah, that one. Okay, and some green volume in here. You're going to want to see that. But when you start seeing professionals grab offers, I mean, in 10,000 share clips on this, the bulls have taken charge. I haven't seen this in, I mean, ever. This has never happened in the gold miners. I mean, it has been years. I mean, it's been like a decade. But this is not your, gigantic market cap, 700 million shares of some software company that gets bid up because it's in an index, day in, day out, or, this is not that. This is something entirely different. This is animal spirits. This is traders reaching for offers, just taking stock 10,000, 20,000 share clips at a time. I mean, this is the most bullish thing I have seen in a decade. I am so bullish on this. It's not even funny. I do want to see some volume come in. This volume down here is pretty pathetic. It would really make me feel better if you started getting in. This is Newmont, so if you start getting in like 10 million share days, string those, a couple of those days, and start getting, I don't know, I guess it would probably be a 300 million share a week, something like that. That's big. That's a big deal. That's confirmation that this is the start of the bull market. I mean, this thing is going. You haven't seen what this looks like. I can't impress upon anyone listening to this enough how bullish this is when traders are they they grow some brass and they just start taking a stock up. Okay, a big stock like Newmont, it's not too big, but this is not a 1 or a 2 or a 3 day thing. This is not a 1 or a 2 week thing. This is the start of something big. You don't know what it looks like when guys start grabbing for stock. You haven't felt it before because it hasn't happened in a decade. I mean, nobody's been reaching for stock like that. That correction in COVID, okay, where it just goes like V-shaped kind of it just comes down and then rips right back up. That's not this. That was, that's flows. That's the flows of money coming into the market and just kind of, it's not this. That's bullish and everything. I mean, that's great, but that is not what this is. This is guys desperately grabbing for stock. Finally, the bulls in the gold miners are charging. They have not charged in, like I've said, over a decade. So when this goes, 80 is your level now. I mean, anytime this kind of comes into 80, that's the level to watch. So this is not any kind of investment advice. This is really just how you trade, how you look for these kind of moves. This is actual human beings desperately reaching for stock in huge clips at a time. Big shares trading hands. Now all the supply is gone. Traders, if they're bullish, you got to grab stock, right? It's a desperate attempt to grab any remaining supply at 80. All right. So this is it. This is the real deal. It is, Friday, no, April 1st today, 4 p.m. This is it. I don't know what to say. I mean, this is what you look for to see what bullish action looks like. I mean, this is not something Fed induced. This is not, oh, interest rates are low. This is something far more exciting.